Intellectual property is any kind of invention or creation that springs from an original idea. So in a sense, it's the light bulb moment you have when you invent or create something that is new and original and inventive. You could build a prototype for a new medical device. There is IP in that. You know, there are things that you can protect by a patent. IP can be things like trademarks and logos. I'd say IP is at the center of healthcare technology. Even the simplest medical devices can typically have several different inventions within them, and the more complex ones, like a kidney dialysis machine, for example, you could break that down into several hundred different separate bits of IP and different inventions that all do something different. Healthcare as an industry, it is ballooning really. It's getting bigger and bigger. It's vital that the NHS is able to protect its IP rights. The essence of IP protection is that it prevents others from exploiting your idea. That's the reason that InnoScot Health was set up, to help health boards to capture that value and make the most of it and ensure that they are getting a fair return, that they're not just giving their ideas away to industry for free and that they're not getting anything in return. So InnoScot Health has been around for 20 years now. In that time, we have protected a wide variety of different intellectual property rights. So I'd say approximately 250, which comprises a mix of patents, trademarks, registered design rights, copyright as well. A trademark is used to protect IP that is in the form of a word or a logo, something that will be exploited for commercial gain. So for example, the name of a company and the name of a product, something that you want to brand very distinctively and ensure that no one else is going to copy that brand. Copyright is something that protects published works, whether that is a radio broadcast or a book or even software code. And it gives you certain rights for a certain period of time that nobody will infringe that and take that and reproduce it without your permission. Patents are used to protect inventions, which can be anything from a new type of light switch, a medical device. There's a very broad range of things. It has to be inventive and it has to be novel, and it provides protection that's against somebody stealing that idea, exploiting it commercially without your permission. Design rights are similar to patents. They're not quite as rigorous. Design rights typically protect the appearance of something. So whether that is an Apple iPhone and the rounded corners of that, whether it is your product that has a very distinctive shape or color or texture, you can protect that with registered design rights. Trade secrets and know-how, I suppose it would be called, is a form of IP. The best example of that would be Coca-Cola, which has very famously kept its recipe secret ever since it was created. So sometimes the best thing to do is not to publish your IP in the form of a patent or a trademark, but to keep it secret. There are several ways in which staff members can contact us if they have any queries about IP, if they want to access training, if they need support from us. The simplest way is simply to look at the website, and there's a wealth of information on there. And they can also book time slots with us as well. If they want to have a short chat with us, they can book that through the website as well, and they will speak to one of the team to get help and advice with their inquiry.